Ever felt that sinking feeling? You know, the one where your financial world hits a snag, and you're scrambling for answers? Maybe your Rocket account balance isn't adding up, a transaction went haywire, or you're just plain confused about a new feature. You're clicking, tapping, scrolling, and nothing. Just endless FAQ pages and automated bots that seem to speak a different language. You're thinking, there has to be a real person I can talk to. We've all been there. In today's fast-paced digital world, managing our finances online is supposed to be convenient, right? But what happens when that convenience turns into a digital maze? When that crucial question pops up and you need immediate assistance, where do you turn? Specifically, if you're a Rocket account user, that question becomes even more pressing. Rocket accounts, like many online financial platforms, offer a range of services designed to streamline your financial life. But when things go wrong, or when you simply need clarification, knowing how to access reliable support is absolutely essential. Think about it. Maybe you're trying to understand a complex fee structure. Or perhaps you need to report a suspicious transaction. Or maybe you're just having trouble navigating the app itself. Whatever the issue, you need a direct line to someone who can provide clear, accurate, and timely assistance. So, the burning question is, what is the helpline for Rocket account? And, more importantly, how do you navigate the often confusing world of customer support to get the help you need, when you need it? Let's dive in. The first place you should always look is within the Rocket account app itself or on the official Rocket account website. Most modern financial platforms have dedicated support sections designed to address common user queries. Often, you'll find a comprehensive FAQ section. These pages are designed to answer frequently asked questions and can be a valuable resource for resolving common issues quickly. Take some time to browse through the categories and see if your question has already been addressed. You might be surprised at how much information is readily available. However, sometimes a simple FAQ just won't cut it. You need to talk to a human being. That's where the helpline comes in. But finding the correct number can be tricky. The most reliable way to find the official Rocket account helpline is to visit the official Rocket account website. Look for a Contact Us or Support page. This page should provide you with the most up-to-date and accurate contact information, including the phone number, email address, and any other relevant support channels. It's important to be cautious when searching for helpline numbers online. Scammers often create fake websites and phone numbers to trick unsuspecting users. Always verify the number you find against the official Rocket account website. Now, let's talk about what to expect when you actually call the helpline. Be prepared to provide your Rocket account information, including your account number and personal details, to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to protect your account. Before you call, gather any relevant information about your issue. For example, if you're calling about a transaction, have the transaction details readily available. If you're calling about a technical issue, be prepared to describe the problem in detail. The more information you can provide, the faster the support team will be able to assist you. When speaking to the support representative, be clear and concise. Explain your issue calmly and politely. Remember, they are there to help you. If you don't understand something, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. In addition to the phone helpline, Rocket account may offer other support channels, such as email support, live chat, or social media support. Check the official website for a complete list of available options. Live chat can be a convenient option for quick questions and issues. It allows you to communicate with a support representative in real time without having to make a phone call. Email support can be useful for more complex issues that require detailed explanations. Be sure to provide as much information as possible in your email to help the support team understand your problem. Some companies also offer support through social media platforms. You can often send a direct message to the company's official account to ask for assistance. However, be mindful of sharing sensitive information on social media. Regardless of the support channel you use, it's always a good idea to document your interactions. Keep a record of the date, time, and details of your communication, as well as the name of the support representative you spoke with. This documentation can be helpful if you need to follow up on your issue later. If you're still having trouble resolving your issue after contacting support, consider escalating your complaint. Most companies have a process for escalating customer complaints. Check the Rocket Account website for information on how to escalate your issue. Finally, here are a few additional tips for getting the most out of your Rocket Account support experience. Be patient. Customer support lines can sometimes be busy, so be prepared to wait. Be polite and respectful. Remember, the support representatives are there to help you. Be prepared to provide all necessary information. Document your interactions. Don't be afraid to escalate your complaint if necessary. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of resolving your Rocket Account issues quickly and efficiently. Remember, accessing reliable customer support is a crucial part of managing your finances online. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.